Namaskaram, ഞാൻ Eliza. Learn Malayalam with Elikuttiyilekku Swagatham. If you're looking for a place to help you learn Malayalam, you've come to the right channel. Today we're beginning lesson 8 in our beginner lesson series. So if you haven't checked out the first 7 videos, do check out our playlist and catch on up with the rest of us. Otherwise, let's jump right in. Today we're going to be talking about demonstratives, this and that, these and those in Malayalam. And we'll also start talking a little bit about personal items, and we'll have some vocabulary with that. But before any of that, we need to review what we already know. So take a look at the conversation here and look at the word box. Match the phrases to the conversation. Pause the video, and when you're ready, hit play and we'll go over the answers together. All right, let's go over it together. Namaskaram Jos. Namaskaram Binsi. Avar ആരാണ്? അവർ എൻ്റെ ചേച്ചിയാണ്. ചേച്ചിക്ക് 32 വയസ്സുണ്ട്. ചേച്ചിയുടെ പേരെന്താണ്? ലിൻസി എന്നാണ്. കണ്ടതിൽ സന്തോഷം ലിൻസി. Alright, so notice we say avar to be polite. Avar means they, but it's also the polite way to say she. And then once we know that it's her older sister, then we change it to chechi. Chechiude, chechikye, like this. Alright. So let's look at today's conversation. Eliza, ഒരു പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട്. എന്ത് പറ്റി? എൻ്റെ താക്കോൽ കാണാനില്ല. അയ്യോ, കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. എന്നെ സഹായിക്കാമോ? ശരി. നോക്കൂ, ഇത് നിന്റെ താക്കോലാണോ? അതെ, നന്ദി. Alright, so ഒരു പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട്. I have a problem. ഒരു പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട്. എന്തു പറ്റി? Now make sure that you pronounce this patti and not patti, because those are two completely different words. Patti is dog. Patti is happened. What happened? Be sure to check out the T sounds pronunciation video to help you with that. Ende takol kananilla. So look at the picture. What are we looking for? Keys. Takol is key. Alright. Ayo, kandupidikkyam. Let's find it. Enne sahayikkamo. Can you help me? Sheri. Nokku. Look. Idu ninde takolano. Are these your keys? Is this your key? Ade. Nani. Yes, thanks. Alright, let's look at the next picture and the next conversation. Harish, സുഖമാണോ? സുഖം. എന്താ ചെയ്യുകയാണ്? ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ വണ്ടി കഴുകിയാണ്. ഓ, ഇത് നിന്റെ വണ്ടിയാണോ? സൂപ്പറായിട്ടുണ്ട്. നന്ദി, പുതിയ വണ്ടിയാണ്. So, what is he doing? He's washing his car. Vandi. Oh, ഇത് നിന്റെ വണ്ടിയാണോ? Is this your car? Super ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. Super great. നന്ദി, പുതിയ വണ്ടിയാണ്. It's a new car. And then our last conversation. മോൾക്ക് സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് പോകണ്ടേ? അതെ അമ്മ, പക്ഷേ എനിക്ക് ബാഗ് തയ്യാറാക്കണം. ഓ, എന്ത് വേണം? എൻ്റെ പെന്ന, എൻ്റെ പുസ്തകം, എൻ്റെ കോട്ടുപാത്രം. ഓ, നിനക്ക് ഒത്തിരി സാധനങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. Alright, so where is the girl going? She's going to school. Good. And she needs to get something ready. Her bag. She needs to get her bag ready, and she needs her pen, her book, and her lunchbox. And then ottiri sadanangal. So many things. Ottiri is many or a lot. Sadanangal, things. All right. So let's look at our vocabulary for today. We have vandi for car, penna for pen, bag for bag, pustakam for book, and takol for key. Remember, when we're doing the genitive case, my is ende, yours is ninde or ningalude. Now, we're going to look at this and that. So for something that is close to us, this is id. And for something far is ad. And the great thing about Malayalam is it doesn't matter if it's singular or plural. This or these both would be id. And that and those would both be ad. Id, ad. So let's look at this in a sentence. ഇത് എൻ്റെ പെനാണ്. അത് നിന്റെ വണ്ടിയാണ്. ഇത് നിന്റെ താക്കോലാണോ? അത് നിന്റെ ബാഗ് അല്ല. So in Malayalam we keep the structure the same. This and then my, your, object, and then the verb ആണ്. And you don't have to worry about changing the order of the words here. So now, take some time, you can go back and check your notes and translate this conversation into Malayalam. Hit pause, write it out, and when you're ready, hit play and we'll go over the answers together. Alright, so, അത് എന്താണ്? അത് എൻ്റെ വണ്ടിയാണ്. ഇത് നിന്റെ താക്കോലാണോ? അതെ, nani. So, what is that? That is your. What is that? എന്താണ്? എന്താണ്? And then my car, എൻ്റെ വണ്ടി. Alright? നിന്റെ താക്കോൽ is key, your key. Now, when we make a word plural in Malayalam, there's two options depending on the spelling of the word. So for a word like penna or bag, you would just add kal. Kal. So, pennagal, bagugal. But if the word ends with we have to make it ngal. For example, pustakam becomes pustakangal. Karyam, thing, karyangal. So this is the difference. It's either kal or ngal. So now, here, you can translate this conversation into Malayalam. Hit pause, you can go back and check the slides for your notes. Otherwise, hit play and we'll go over the answers together. Eliza, ഇത് നിന്റെ പുസ്തകങ്ങളാണോ? അതെ, അത് എൻ്റെ പുസ്തകങ്ങളാണ്. ഓ, ശരി. ഇത് എൻ്റെ ബാഗ് അല്ല. Oh, sorry, എനിക്ക് നിന്റെ ബാഗ് ഉണ്ട്. So, that would be the translation. So now we have two different conjugate letters. We have na and ta and na and ta. Now I know this looks like ra, and you're right. But when two ras are put to each other, they make a ta sound. And also when we put the ra with the n, it makes a da sound as well. Da. So we have nda and nda. It sounds very similar, but let's look at the difference. Nda is made right under the teeth, da, da, because we have the ta there, nda, nda. And nda is a stronger sound and your tongue would be at that ridge just behind your teeth, nda, da, nda. So when we have words like inda, like indu, indarne, indarne, this is nda. But when we say inde, my, ninde, yours, we have that stronger da, da. Ninde, ende. So, enda, ende. That's the difference. All right, if you have any more questions, comments, suggestions, feedback, do put it in the comments section. Otherwise, you can join us on the Discord server. We have over 2,000 members in free classes every Monday. 2 batches are now going on, one at 7 and one at 8 p.m. IST. And I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, abuelo, parnadu pole.